Welcome back to the Pre-Calculus Mastery Program. In the previous lesson, we learned arithmetic sequences, where numbers increased by same difference. But now, let's go one step further. What if we want to add all the terms together? Instead of finding just one term, what if we need the total sum? This is called an arithmetic series. And this concept is extremely useful in mathematics, finance, and real life calculations. An arithmetic series is the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. For example, arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. So the series is 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14, the total sum. A sequence lists the number. A series adds them. Let's add the first 5 terms. 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14. So the sum is 40. Now the most important formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d, where Sn is equal to sum of first n terms. N is the number of terms. A is the first term. D is the common difference. This formula gives the total sum directly. Let's see one example. Find the sum of first 10 terms of the given sequence. 2, 5, 8, 11 and go on. Given that A is equal to 2, the first term. D is equal to 3, the common difference. N is equal to 10, the total number of terms. So apply the formula here. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 times 2 plus 10 minus 1 times 3. So after the computation, we got the sum as 155. So the sum of first 10 terms of the given sequence is 155. There is a shortcut formula. If the first and last terms are known, we can use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 times a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the last term. Imagine you are saving money every month. First month you save 100. Second month is 200. Third month is 300. Then how much after 12 months? This is an arithmetic series problem. A sequence is the set of terms, but the series is the total sum of that terms. Today we learned arithmetic series, sum of terms, main formula, shortcut formula, real life application. This is the foundation of sigma notation and summation. When you understand arithmetic series, you begin to calculate totals and predictions. And this idea is extremely useful in mathematics and real life. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing. I will see you in the next lesson.